Welcome to Retro Scale Modelling. This is part 4 of AMT's Star Wars Corporate Alliance Droid. Scale is 1 to 48. Now, in this video, this is the final reveal video. But first of all, my thoughts on the kit, as always. Now, this kit is perfect for beginners. It's so easy to put together. It's a joy to put together. There's not a lot of cleaning up to do, but it's enough to teach the basics. So if you've got a young family member who is looking to get into the build and likes Star Wars, this could well be the kit for them to build. It's not taxing at all. You can have it in any colour scheme you want, really, from the examples I've seen online anyway. I don't mind it to be a metal finish, but you can go as elaborate as you want anyway. Well, you can on any model, in my opinion. But as a entry level for anyone, this is quite a good kit to go for. It's a nice size as well, the 148 scale on this. It ends up being a nice size model for anyone, and it's easy to display as well. There's probably a little bit of scope that you can do on it if you're more of an expertise builder. You may be able to add little things and pieces onto it. You can put LEDs into the lights, for instance. There is actually room to do that with a little bit of drilling, and it would have to be the micro LED lights, the SMDs, but it's certainly doable. The you can embellish a little bit on the tracks. You can take them away, add rubber tracks and so on for them. So there's things to do there for the more experienced builder, if they want to get their teeth right into this kit. But if you build it out straight out of the box like I did, it's still a joy to build, and you can get quite a lot out of it. So yeah, I would recommend this kit to anyone who's interested in the hobby or thinking about starting the hobby. This is a very good entry level point. Now, before I get to the final reveal, I would just like to thank everyone for who's watched my videos this year. And all the new people who have subscribed. I've been amazed by the support that I've been given. So thank you all so much. This will be the last build of the year. I've got one more video to come, and that's just the recap of what I've done in the year. And this year I've managed to build 22 kits, so that's not a bad little haul for the year, I suppose. But that'll be near the end of December. I will put a video up for what I did for the year. So all that's left to say really is, if you haven't done so already, why don't you check out the channel and see all my other builds? If you like what you see, why don't you subscribe? And of course, hit that notification bell. You can also help me out by hitting that like button, sharing the video, and of course, you're more than welcome to leave a comment. But keep it clean and try not to be rude. Yeah, you know, it's nice to be nice sometimes. So I hope you all have a great time over the festive period, if indeed you are celebrating the festive period. If you're not celebrating the festive period, have a great time anyway, but with whatever you're doing. But for now, thank you all very much for watching. I'll see you in the new year. Bye bye.